Hey everyone, it's Diamond from BNC Modding, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our FiveM ready vehicles into your server. So to start off with, we're going to want to make sure that we've extracted this file just by right clicking and just extract all and extract it to your desktop just like that. Open up the file, and then what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to have our server open just here as well. This vehicle comes, or this bundle I should say, comes with 3 vehicles. Which we're all going to be installing today, credits file, and also a readme which contains some information on extras, the lighting system we recommend, and some common issues found with non-ELS vehicles as well. So I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods of installing these vehicles. The first one is going to be a simple drag and drop method. So all of BNC's assets come as drag and drop resources, for FiveM servers at least. And to do that, we're just going to copy these or drag them in to your resource folder. Yeah, we're going to want them in our resource folder and nowhere else. Just paste them here, and there we are. We need to make sure that they have our resource in there, so __ resource.lua, and this is what's actually going to make them work, and obviously our stream and data files. But like I said, all drag and drop, so all this is inside the resource for you. The last thing we need to do is just go back, and to our servers.cfg we can ensure them. What I would do is just make a new tag, call it vehicles, and then ensure, go back to your resources, go here, copy the name, and just ensure them all. And there you have it. Now these vehicles will work in game. Right, so in my opinion this second method is the best one. It saves you a lot of time, and if you're wanting to just drag and drop your resources into there and not need to ensure each and every vehicle, this is definitely the method for you. What we're going to want to do is go into resources and make a new folder, square bracket vehicles. It can be called anything, but if we're going to be installing vehicles today, that's what we'll do, and close it off with a square bracket as well. We are then going to open this and drag our vehicles into here. Each one does need a resource file or a manifest file as well. Either will work, so keep those in there. And then we're going to go back to our server.cfg, and we're going to once again ensure vehicles, save and close, and that will work. This is the simplest method in my opinion. All you need to do is whenever you've got a new vehicle, drag it into here and it will work without you needing to ensure each one. Right, so this next method is a little bit different, a little bit more complex, but definitely keeps things organized still. It starts off with the same principle of just making a new folder and calling it vehicles or anything, again with square brackets. Open it up, and what we're going to want to do is create a new stream and data file in here. I would then take the resource file from one of the cars, so just open one up, copy it, and paste it into here. This will basically tell your server that, you know, these are files that can be read and should be read. Open up your stream, and then we're going to want to paste these stream folders into here, or files I should say, not folders. And just to be more organized, we're going to make a new folder for each one. LAS Mackie, LAS Mackie 2, and LAS Mackie 3. These will go into 3. We'll go back to number 2. These will go into 2. Back to 1. And then these are going to go into here. So now we have a stream folder here with each vehicle file, or folder, sorry, with the stream files inside. We're going to do the same for data now, so we'll go to data, we'll make a new folder. What I'll do is I'll just copy these, paste them in here. Mackie 1, we're going to go to data, delete the stream ones, and paste these in here. We're going to go to the second one now, data, copy paste these in, Then we're going to go to the third one, delete the stream files, go to the data files and just copy paste them in. Once again, we just need to make sure that we have our server.cfg insured with vehicles. It still needs to be insured, but it will work. And now what it should look like is resources, vehicles, a resource.lua with stream and data. Stream is going to have all of the stream files inside for each one. You don't need a resource file or a manifest in here. And same with data, so we have all of our data files here. Right, so we have successfully installed each and every vehicle now. If you want to rename the vehicle resource and maybe change it to something you'd like, I'll show you how to do it with one of the vehicles. Let's just do it with LAS Mackie. Let's say we want to change it to Ambo 1. We're going to copy that just so it's easy to keep. We're going to rename all of these Ambo 1 except for the HI one, and we're just going to leave our HI there. If you leave that out, your vehicle will not work. You'll probably go into game, and the minute you crash it into a wall, your whole server is going to crash. So don't do that. Just make sure you keep that. Data files is where it gets a little bit more complex. So we still need to make sure that the folders are renamed. So data file, we're going to also rename that. And then we have our actual files themselves. In our vehicles.meta, we're going to change the model name, the text name, the handling file or the handling ID, all to your spawn code. Save that and close it. Then we're going to go to handling. We're going to do the same here. We're going to change that, save it. We're going to go to our car variations. We're going to change that. Once again, save it. And we're going to go to our car calls, change it, and save it once again. Now your car will work with your new spawn code. So yeah, that's simple. You just need to make sure that you're changing all the data files in it as well. That is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys have learned how to install these vehicles. If you do need any further support, feel free to join our Discord in the description below. Just open a support ticket and we'll be happy to help you out.